So good evening everyone, a very warm welcome to this wonderful event celebrating International Women's Day and also Jagran Achievers Award 2025 Hanoi. I'm Asha Fred and I'm honored to be your host for this evening. As we all know, Jagran Prakashan Limited, one of the largest media and communication conglomerates, empowering people across the social spectrum and transforming lives. And we have two pillars of Jagran with us, Mr. Shailendra Nath Jaitley and Mr. Vipon Khadwani. Can we have a big round of applause for them? Great. Now we have a chief guest among us. So I would like to invite Mr. Yang Chung Hai, General Director of Vietnam Administration of Tourism, to be welcomed by our Mr. Shailendra Jaitley sir and Mr. Vipon Khadwani, Senior with the Dainik Jagran. Now I would like to invite Dr. Monika Sharma, Secretary Director of Indian Council for Cultural Relations of India, to be welcomed by Mr. Khadwani and Mr. Jaitley. Now I would like to invite Mr. Chung Chong Lin, the Chairman of Flamingo Holding Group, to be welcomed by Mr. Vipon Khadwani sir and Mr. Jaitley sir. Thank you so much, Lizzie. And again, I would like to invite our special guest for tonight, Mr. Yang Chung Hai.
Dear Mr. Vipon Khadwani, Senior Vice President, Jagran Prakashan Limited Group, Republic of India. Dear Mr. Chen Sopring, Chairman of the Flamingo Holding Group. Ladies and gentlemen, Namaste. First of all, on behalf of Vietnam National Authority of Tourism, I welcome the delegation of Jagran Prakashan Limited India to visit and experience destination and tourism product of Vietnam. And I highly appreciate the initiative to organize the conference honoring women entrepreneurs and empowering women of Jagran Prakashan Limited Group today in Hanoi, Vietnam, the city of Focus.
Now I would request Mr. Mudit Gulati sir, the Associate Vice President, Dainik Jagran, to give a small welcome speech.
जागरण अचीवर अवार्ड्स का हमारा ये 30वां इवेंट है, 30th, और ग्लोबल अचीवर्स का हमारा ये 3rd इवेंट है। पहला इवेंट हमने तनांग वियतनाम में किया था, लास्ट या दूसरा लंकानी में किया था, और तीसरा हम आपके सामने प्रस्तुत है। तो 30th इवेंट, 3rd फॉर वुमेन्स डे एंड 4th इन वियतनाम। सो हमारा रिश्ता बहुत गहरा है वियतनाम से।
अब मैं जेटली सर से रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि दो प्यारे मीठे बोल इस इवेंट के स्टार्ट की बोल दे।
Yes, it's been a very interesting and pleasurable journey for all of us. Of course, peace करना आसान नहीं है, मुश्किल है, but then आप सब लोगों का साथ रहा और कहते हैं भी कारवां बनता है।
The first category of awards, I would like to invite Mr. Jaitley sir, Mr. Khadwani sir, and also Mr. Hein to be on stage and give the awards to the first set of awardees. I would like to invite Dr. Richa Mishra for Adyan Institute of Medical Sciences, Lucknow. Get the award. She aims to establish Uttar Pradesh first medical and nursery college by women for women. Shrimati Alka Hukumati advocate है। Let's have award number 3, Anand Builders from Kanpur for businesswoman. Next award goes to Neha Singh, who is working in education field. Thank you so much. Next we have Bellissimo, Lucknow for championing women's cause. Award for Mr. Umesh again for championing women's cause. Classic Hotel Vrindavan. Umesh Sharma, Nirdeshak, Classic Hotel. Miss Anisha Sharma for Delhi Public School, Fulbari, Siliguri for education. Next, can I invite Ms. Dimple Bhardwaj for outstanding work in real estate. She's from Gurgaon. Next, can I invite Ms. Manu Chamoli for Dhul Grammar School for receiving the award for Best Management and Teaching Staff, Dehradun. Ms. Talia, आप सुन रहे हैं बीच में? Thank you. Dhul Grammar School is established in 2001 by late Mr. Gyaneshwar Prasad Chamoli, Mr. Ashish Chamoli in the outskirts of Dehradun. Next, can I invite Dr. Aishwarya, who is the most trusted dental surgeon of Patna. Dr. Aishwarya is a highly recognized dentist. She was honored with the prestigious Bihar Gaurav Samman Award as a gold medalist in orthodontics and dental facial orthopedics. Next, I would like to invite Dr. Bangna Jaki Chandel. She is a gynecologist, surgeon from Dharamshala. Next, I would like to invite Dr. Kamalkant Upmanyu from Mathura for outstanding work in women empowerment. डॉक्टर कमलकांत एक प्रतिष्ठित पत्रकार और सुप्रीम कोर्ट के अधिवक्ता हैं. Next, I would like to invite Dr. Kumari Krishna Arya for outstanding contribution in folk music and social welfare. Dr. Kumari Krishna Arya is a renowned folk singer from Karnaul, Mahendragarh, Haryana. Next, I would like to invite Dr. Monica Mittal. Dr. Monica is not here, so she is getting the award on her behalf. Next, I would like to invite Dr. Shweta Singh, for the founder and CEO of Ennoble IP Delhi for the excellence on intellectual property. Dr. Shweta Singh is a first-generation serial entrepreneur. For the next segment of award, I would like to invite Dr. Monica Sharma and the Director of Indian Council for Cultural Relations India and Mr. Vipin Patwani and also Mr. Jaitley Sir on stage for the second segment of awards. So, first I would like to invite Ms. Urmila Chaturvedi from area of Mass Communication Private Limited, Lucknow. She is getting the award for event management and neutral advertising agency. Next, can I invite Dr. Urmila Sharma, Director Principal, Arvachin Bharti Bhavan Senior Secondary School, Delhi. Come on stage. She is getting the award for excellence, academic excellence. Next, can I invite Ms. Ritu Gupta, a visionary educationist, entrepreneur, and social activist from Baba International School, Dilsi, and she is getting this award for an outstanding in professional education. Ritu Gupta is a visionary educationist, entrepreneur, and social activist with a passion for empowering young minds and creating positive change in society. Next, can I invite Neha Singh again for Pansat classes Jamshedpur. She has got this award for most credible coaching. Now moving forward, can I invite Dr. Veena Katiyar from Farooqabad? She has been given this award for most trusted hospital. She will be accompanied by Dr. Jitendra Katiyar. On the list we have is Omana Arora. Next, I would like to invite championing women's cause French DNA, Aligarh. Next, I would like to invite Ms. Pooja Rana, Blooming Tales Dehradun. She is getting the award for the most trusted name in pet care and movie industry. Next, I would like to invite Ms. Shraddha KFP, Meera Banna Jewelers, Patna. She is getting this award for most trusted jewelry brand. Getting the award for the most trusted jewelry brand. Next, I would like to invite Ms. Shrishti Bansal Gupta from the house of the Ben Kanpur. She is getting the award for most creative and environmental sustainable business woman. Next, I would like to invite Ms. Sandhya Agarwal and Mr. Rahul Agarwal for Jack and Jill School, Mainpuri, for the most preferred school in Mainpuri. Next, I would like to invite from Qatari Auto Sales, Aligarh, on behalf of Ms. Ramyavati Goyal B, for getting this award on women education and health in rural belt, championing women's cause. Next, I would like to invite La Chef Aligarh for the most woman-friendly workplace. La Chef is a multi-cuisine restaurant. Next, I would like to invite Ms. Pooja Vijay Singh for Look Saloon Haldwani for Best in Beauty and Wellness, and I would like to invite Mr. Vijay Pratap Singh also on stage. He's championing women's cause, Best in Beauty and Wellness. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Manveer Singh for Manveer Care Marketing Private Limited. Gajrula, getting this award for outstanding work in
nó để
women's
định danh
welfare.
là phải thì con người Việt Nam cũng nhanh chóng qua
Next, I would like to
Trọng
invite
lượng.
Ms. Manju Agarwal
tới Việt Nam mình
for
đồng hành
Ankara Aligarh, getting this award for most promising advertising agency. Next, I would like to invite Ms. Manju Rai for getting the award for the most promising media solution in Gurgaon. Ms. Manju Rai. Ms. Manju Rai is getting a 15 by her Twitter mark. Guys, again, I think we have to sing the applause. Next, I would like to invite Ms. Mridula Sharma from Agra from getting the award for outstanding work in women welfare. Next, I would like to invite Manju Singh, Chairperson of Nancy Education and Social Welfare Society, NEDA, for innovative teaching. This Nancy Education and Social Welfare Society.
हर पत्थर में चमकता हीरा है, हर नदी की एक कहानी। बहुत सी नदियाँ और बहुत से पत्थर उन्हें सहारा देते हुए जीवन की धारा को आगे बढ़ाते हुए यहाँ हम सब हिंदुस्तानी इकट्ठा हुए हैं। प्रवासी भूमि पर इकट्ठा होकर भी अपने देश की भूमि की याद और वहाँ अपने कर्मयोगी स्वरूप को बारंबार याद करते हुए इस भूमि तक अपने देश की महक हम ले आए।
Trên núi cao bên dòng thác cồn cào chảy mãi đêm này là nhà nắng nóng ơi, trong nắng mai tiếng khen oai vững miệng mày hòa tiếng gió kề trường về đọng đọng ơi. Những phút giây quay quần bên bếp hồng hẹn cùng em làm ai kia ngóng trông ngàn gió mây rằng ai tới đất này nồng là hoa là nước cho yêu thương.
Nồng ơi nồng ơi,
mây sáng sáng vui từ bên anh chào.
Nồng ơi nồng ơi,
anh say em trong từng câu hát.
Nồng ơi nồng ơi,
anh xanh xanh mừng đổ bước khoai.
Nồng ơi nồng ơi,
anh say em nồng ơi.
Mình gặp nhau để hiểu để thương nên ta hãy cứ vui đi em. Có mấy con núi có hoa có cả rạng si em. Đã lâu anh không còn thấy vững vàng giấc mơ chính mình em. Và em đã thấy mình vui lên và đi những hai dòng không em. Nhỏ ơi nhỏ à, anh gọi nhỏ ơi nhỏ à.
Bao giờ anh mới tỉnh sao từ chuyện với mẹ cha.
Nhỏ ơi nhỏ à, anh muốn lấy em đang vòng hoa. Giữa khung trời bao la tình yêu ta bất chợt thăng hoa yeah.
Những phút giây quay quần bên bếp hồng hẹn cùng em làm anh yêu ngóng trông ngàn gió mây rằng ai tới đất này nồng là hoa là nước cho yêu thương.
Nồng ơi,
mây sáng sáng vui đùa bên anh trà.
nồng ơi,
anh say em trong từng câu hát.
I would like to invite Ms. Pooja Goyal Aligarh on stage. She's getting the award for a well-known author. Ms. Pooja Goyal Aligarh. I would like to invite Mr. Pankaj on stage. Mr. Pankaj Bansal. He is getting the award for Best in Industry. Purachand Gandhi Mala Wale Vrindavan. Next, I would like to invite Swarnata for PR Traders Muzaffarpur. She's getting the award for Best in Textile Industry. She's a businesswoman. Okay. Next, we have Pandit Shambhunath Jha from Patna. He's an expert in studying planetary movement. He's also present here for championing students' cause. He's an expert in face reading and astrology. Mr. Pandit Shambhunath Jha from Patna. Next, we have RBS members. There are Mr. Rakesh Ji. Can we invite on stage? He's getting the award for most preferred brand in premium housing. Next, we have Ms. Savita Adhikari from Patna. She is getting the award for Best in Home Decor. She's a businesswoman. Guys, थोड़ी सी जोर से तालियां बजाइए. Next, we have Ms. Sakshi Singhal, who is getting the award for the most trusted jewelry brand.
Thank you.
Ms. Sakshi Singhal Matra, getting the award for most trusted jewelry brand. Thank you. Next, we have from Samarpan Sansthan Ghazipur, getting the award for outstanding work for social children, Swarnata. Now I would like to invite Ms. Sampada. Ms. Sampada from Karnal receiving the award for outstanding achievement in fashion industry. Ms. Sampada. So next I would like to invite Mr. Advesh Kumar Raj. He's getting the award for Sarv Shiksha Education Trust, championing women's cause. Next, can I invite Ms. Shalini, getting the award for the most renowned social worker. Ms. Shalini is from Giridhi. Giridhi? Okay, thank you. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Shyam Bihari, championing women's cause. He is from Giridhi, again, supporting livelihood of tribal women. Shiva Builders and Associate. I would like to invite Mr. Munalal Nishad for getting the award for the most trusted brand Shama Developer Vrindavan. Mr. Munalal Nishad. Next, we have Ms. Vidisha getting this award for SR Trading, Women Empowerment, Senior Trading Muzaffarpur. You look lovely. Next, can we have on stage Ms. Vandana Kumari? Ms. Vandana Kumari is getting the award for the most trusted name in real estate. Ms. Vandana Kumari from Patna getting the award for the most trusted name in real estate. Next, I would like to invite Ms. P.S. Akshita. She is from Gurgaon and she's getting the award for the most trusted name in interior designing. So next, we have the Uttar Pradesh Information Department Award for getting Best Media Management Award for Mahapur, Mr. Shishi. I believe he's not here. I believe he's not here. Okay, Mr. Tetli would take the award on his behalf.